Yeah, how's it going, Internet? Thank you for checking this out. I've been working on it for about a week and a half. It's just a learning app. It's pretty cool. It's just to teach kids how to do phonics and things like that. It's just the programming aspect. There's there's no game assets, nothing too fancy. That'll come later. What I'm about to show you is just what I have so far and some of the blueprints and things like that. So you start off with a bunch of letters. You got to drag and drop. You know, got to find out where to go. Pop, pop, pop. This is also it's also good for a mobile app as well. So you can, with your finger, like drag and drop everything. There's still a lot of work left to go on this, but I just want to have something to show from the time that I put into this program so far. I will bake this down and you will have access to it. It's just super simple. It's nothing too fancy. So the idea is that you have a timer, you got a score, you got to solve the words in a minute, and then you have to just drag and drop. You can restart it if something goes wrong, or you don't like the letters you got, or whichever. You can also go back to main menu. The options tab isn't there just yet. You can start lesson. Section part will be for loading a game or loading certain aspects, or you can just quit the game. So just want to show you the blueprint. Now I just finished up the programming, so it's not going to look its best, but the actual programming part of it is kind of cool. So it's done entirely with blueprint. It's pretty dense, actually, just the way that everything works. So everything is actually procedurally generated. It works off of like a random, like an array in a random integer, and it just cycles through words and creates the letters that correspond to the missing blocks. And then when you get the right letter, it turns on the check mark, and then if you get it gives you more score. And then when you have a score of 400 or however, it will actually go on to the next level or just keep cycling through it. This is the missing blocks. This is the actual letter. So when each letter is generated, it sets up all the variables, sets up all the conditions, and then when it overlaps and it's actually working, it'll actually set the location and also the members of the struct. It will start swapping out things. There's a HUD. It's pretty cool. All like the score and time and all that stuff gets fed into the player blueprint, and that's pretty much about it. Thanks for checking this out and have a good day.